The leaves fall slower, golden dance beneath the moon's soft, wistful glance. A quiet breeze hums through the trees, whispering secrets to the autumn seas. Oh, autumn's gentle sigh, a tune that drifts a lullaby. The world unwinds, the stars comply, and time stands still beneath the sky. A lamplight flickers, amber glow, casting shadows on the street below. Footsteps fade, the night takes hold. Its breath is cool, its touch is bold. A fleeting thread through branches high where dreams are bred. Oh, autumn's gentle sigh, a tune that drifts a lullaby. The world unwinds, the stars comply, and time stands still beneath the sky. The clouds roll soft like painted streams. The air is thick with sleepy dreams. A candle's flame waltzes slow in autumn's arms. We let it go.